Hi everyone, today we will see how to send figures from the RemoteXY app on your smartphone to an LCD using the ESP8266 NodeMCU. The LCD I2C, SCL and SDA pins are connected to the pins D1 and D2 of the ESP8266 NodeMCU. The VCC and GND are connected to the VIN and GND of the ESP8266. And the ESP8266 is connected to the USB port of your computer. First, let's select the Wi-Fi access point from the configuration option. Then the NodeMCU from the choice by brand, the integrated Wi-Fi, and finally the Arduino IDE. In the settings option, I will maintain the RemoteXY SSID and select the open point. Then drag in the Edit Field control from the Element tab and add on to the element properties. I will change the data type to int16 and align it to right, left or center. You can change the color, background and font elements as desired. Now drag in the slider control. You can change the orientation, color and position elements as desired. And proceed to get the Arduino source code. Open the Arduino IDE and replace the default sketch with the RemoteXY code. As you can see, there are no lines of code for the edit field and the slider. We will also need to write the code for the LCD. First, let's head to the Library Manager to install the I2C library. Then include the library header before the setup function. And call the LCD function to set the I2C address and the display size. In the setup function, initialize the display, clear the LCD screen, and turn on the backlight with these functions. I will then set the cursor position at the first point of the upper row and print the text, Edit. I will do the same with the slider on the second row of the LCD. In the loop function, I will set the cursor at position 8 to clear the screen with blanks. To display the content of the edit field, I will also use the LCD print function. But this time, I will copy the edit variable from the struct variable list and paste it into the LCD print function. I will do the same to display the slider figure. And use the RemoteXY delay function to make the figure stable on the LCD. Select the generic ESP8266 and the right COM port. Then upload the code to the ESP8266. Now open the RemoteXY app on your smartphone and ensure the Wi-Fi is enabled. Connect to the RemoteXY access point to display the edit and the slider screen. You can enter any value into the edit field and see it on the LCD. Adjusting the slider will also show its value on the LCD. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if this video is helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. See you again soon.